Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about mouse actions using for bug testing tool. Okay, how many types of we have mouse action? There are a lot of things and usually we can do for right click and double click. Okay, and we can drag and drop. Okay, these are we are used commonly, right? How these things we can able to do in our recording functionality, okay, with the less coding. Mm. See, for this I'm going to use for these two application. First one, this one, to right click pause this one. See, if I click, how many times it will not work. Right click, immediately it will give you. If I click for right click, it will give you for inspect element, but here it is giving like this. But we if you want to take the path again, you have to somewhere and you need to move over. This is a lengthy process. I have already shown you so many programming locations. But how here it will work, this one, without taking a path, right? And we can see this option, okay? Now I'm taking this one. First, we will create a new test case, which is, I'll mention for right click, okay? And create a, now I'm going to pasting, creating, started, okay? Now here, first we need to do alert this one verification, okay, and two places I'm going to verify. Okay, now I'm doing for right click. Now I need to click on this particular edit button. Before edit, I want to make the assertion whether it is visibility is presented or not. Now I'm going to click. I'm getting for OK button. Okay, now I'm clicking OK. Whether it is read or not, we can see here. See here, right click. This is the right click happen. Okay, and assertion of the element, edit button, and again click the edit button and click on alert prompt. Okay, it is already recorded and it is stored the information also. Easiest, right? No need to bother about the path also. Okay, if you want again, we can do for another one. Something happen. Okay, normal click happen. Okay, sorry. Right click we need to do. Okay, and now you can see again copy one and click. Right click is a normal click. Okay, and here is right click. Okay, and I need to click for double click to verify. Double click and click on OK. You can see click and double click and you can OK button. Prompt is got successful. Right now I'm going to finishing my test case. Both we have done right click and as well as double click also. Now I'm going to run to see whether it is work or not. Okay. See, perfectly working and finished. Okay. Like this we can able to do for actions. Okay. Right click and double click and drag and drop whether it will work the similar format. Yes, it will work for similar format only. Now I'm going to use for the same. Okay. Uh, Drag and drop. Okay. For the drag and drop, again I'm going to here. Start recording. Okay. Now I'm scrolling up to drag and drop. Here it is drag and drop. Okay. Now I'll verify first this one and and again this one. Okay. Now I need to use for drag and drop. I am dragging and drop. Okay. Now it is there. Now I need to verify dropped message. Okay. And also I need to verify for entire one. Okay. Perfect, right? Now I'm going to finishing. Sorry. You can see we are verified both the places and then we can drag and dropped and drop the message entire page. Okay. You can method is also drag and drop. The method is already taken. Okay. Now again I'm running. See when it is scroll down and dragged and drop, verified and finished. Right? This is a perfect, right? Without any code issues, we can able to automatically it will take care about the scrolling and everything, and even it will do for drag and drop also perfectly without any issue. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.